Alright, so welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing some pranks at the park. So I got the Hellwood hat and I got the Noble jerky made of soya with the organic wood Hellwood dog meat sticker on it. And then we're just asking people if they want any dog jerky. Let's see how people react. Hi guys, how's it going? Would you guys like to try some free samples of dog jerky?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
No worries. Would you guys like to try some free samples? This is organically raised local dog jerky, all from Elwood's Organic Dog Farm. So we got hickory, sriracha, and barbecue.
Dog meat?
Yes, it's all locally raised in BC. It's all grass-fed organically.
So they give to your dog?
No, this is made from dog.
Oh, holy smokes, and a human eats it?
Yes, would you like to see the company?
Oh my god.
No, thank you.
Dog eating dog?
Well, we use the exact same method as we raise cows and pigs. It's all like organically, humanely killed, and we take care of the animals.
You farm the dogs to kill them?
Yes.
Oh my god, sorry, no.
Okay.
That's like,
Oh, no worries. Thanks for the.
It's a prank, guys. It's actually all vegan food right here, and I'm just giving the exact same method as we raise cows, but with the dog example to see how people react, and then see if people can see it like people can see how there's the disconnection between the animals and how we treat them, and like how people like to think how we
Yeah, no, it's.
we take care of the animals that we eat, but like when you tell the exact same thing about a
What's
dog
wrong
that
with-
you actually care about, then you're like, oh no, this is not actually correct.
No, I'm a bit of a guilty meat eater myself. You want some dog? You need some dog?
No? How about soy?
you want soy?
Want to try soy?
Yes, I saw it. No. He
I'll
actually
I'll
doesn't
give
eat
you a
meat.
sample.
He's a vegetarian. He doesn't eat meat.
Oh well, great. That's for you then.
Sorry.
Soya.
Thanks, buddy. Here,
No worries. Have a great day, guys.
We don't want to be on anything.
Yeah, no worries. You won't be on it.
Oh, you're very brave doing this because big dog-loving country
There's
here.
a dog park right here.
I hope nobody attacks you.
No.
Oh, it's just
Have a good day, guys. Woohoo.
The last one.
You guys want to try some free samples? Dog jerky. Dog jerky. Yeah. Yeah, organic Elwood's Dog Farm. All grass fed. Would you like to try some samples, sir? Would you like to try some free samples? Dog jerky. We got sriracha, barbecue, and hickory. Yeah, it's all organically grass-fed dogs.
This has got to be a joke, right?
No, look at that. Elwood's meat. This is the farm here. It's all like organically, like humanely raised, really well taken care of. They had really good life. You want to try a sample?
No thanks.
You sure?
Can I keep the card? Or?
Yeah, for sure. It's a joke though.
Yeah, I was like, this
It's all vegan food.
Oh, okay.
This is just stickers I put on there. This is just made of soy, but I just say it's dog and just say it's the same humane way of raising a cow, and see how people see if there's any difference. It's humanely grass-fed, organic. If you want to try the soy one, like you can try it. Free samples, would you like to try? This is dog jerky. Would you like to try, sir?
I'm all good, thank you, mate.
All right. Hello, sir. How's it going today? Would you like to try some free samples of dog jerky?
Dog jerky.
Yes, we got sweet barbecue, sriracha, and hickory. It's all organic, humanely raised, all local.
No, thank you.
All right, no problem. Dog jerky, all Yes.
What's for dogs?
No, it's made from dogs. Would you guys like to try some free dog jerky?
No, thank you.
All right, no problem. Would you like to try some free samples, sir? The free samples? Dog jerky? You got hickory, sriracha, and barbecue. Would you like some free samples, sir? Hello there, how are you doing today? Would you like some free samples? All right. Free samples? Would you guys like to try some dog jerky?
What?
Dog jerky.
Dog.
Yes, we got hickory, sriracha, and barbecue. It's all organically, locally fed, humanely raised.
Oh, I'm okay.
All right. Would you like to try a piece? Here's the company we get the meat from, and then we make the jerky from that. It's all locally raised.
What are you doing with the camera?
Or I'm just trying to make some advertisement for the company.
Oh.
Like it's legal to sell in Canada, but not many people want to buy it.
No.
We're just trying to, expand the business,
Cool. It's interesting. I'm gonna pass.
All right.
My wife will.
So come by and have a look at it.
Be going like.
Well, before you leave, just so you know, it's a prank. This is all vegan and soy based. We're just trying to see the reaction of people when you tell them the same
Well,
exact method of raising cows, but onto dogs.
But it's dogs. It's like the rest of the Asian world.
Yeah, exactly, same thing. But to me, the other way people see dogs, I see cows and pigs, the same thing,
I agree. I agree.
It's just a fun way to
Dogs are
make people
people's-
think a little bit.
Dogs are people's lifelong.
Yeah,
companions.
lifelong companions. Yeah, and pigs are actually smarter than dogs. So.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Well, thank you for stopping by. Have a good day. Free samples, organic dog jerky.
Oh, dog? Nope.
Yes. No? Why not? It's organically, humanely raised.
We don't have a dog.
It's all right. We raise them for you, nicely, humanely raised.
Thank you.
It's a prank. It's all vegan. Would you guys like to try some free samples, organic dog jerky?
I'm okay right now.
You all good? Yes, we got hickory, sriracha, and sweet barbecue.
Like it's meant for dogs?
No, it's from dog. We get all the meat from this company, Elwoods. It's all locally, organically fed, humanely killed.
That sounds really interesting, not gonna lie. Blur, gotta come back around.
All right, no worries. It's a prank, guys. It's actually vegan.
I don't know.
You guys want to try it?
Sure.
Yeah?
Why
Which
not?
flavor?
I'll go hickory. Why not? Yeah,
Hickory?
Hickory.
All right. There you go.
Appreciate it, man.
No worries. Tell me how it is. I don't think I've tried this one yet. So.
Flavors there.
Not
Pretty
bad.
good. It's a good snack.
Yeah.
Not
My
bad.
favorite so far are these two, actually.
Yeah.
I haven't tried that one yet. That's pretty good.
You have to taste it. Yeah.
Mhm.
Good.
Yeah, no, I saw them first in the shop. There was like 10 flavors.
Mhm.
I tried all of them. I just bought them all.
Mhm.
And then next week I came back. There's only these 3 flavors left.
Yeah.
And they
Fair.
stopped selling all the others. I was like, oh well, I guess they're the good ones.
Yeah, I mean, may as well stick with what you good at, right?
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
No worries.
There. It's actually like, man,
All right. Have a good day, guys.
have a good one, man.
Hello, sir. Would you like to try some samples?
What is that?
It's organic dog jerky.
Dog jerky.
Yeah, we got hickory, sriracha, and sweet barbecue. It's all locally raised,
Oh, yeah.
organically fed, humanely killed.
Really, yeah?
Yeah, so we get the meat from this company, Hellwoods, and then we process the jerky from that.
Where's this from?
This is located in BC, in Langford.
Okay. Dog meat. Any kind of dog or?
We got Labrador, Labrador, and then German Shepherds
Oh,
and poodles.
okay.
Yeah, we pretty much like take any like rescue animal and give them a better life, and then
Okay.
once they hit 2 years old, like prime age, you know.
Interesting. What's your favorite in that one?
I really like the sweet barbecue. I don't think I've tried the hickory yet, but the sriracha is very good as well. Would you like to try one?
Not sure, man.
Well,
I'll skip.
if that makes it easier for you, this is all made of soy.
Okay.
It's not no dog in there.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I'm actually just making a prank, asking people if they want to try dog meat in the same way we raise cows and pigs, but instead it's a dog, and see how they react from that.
Okay.
And then, like try to raise awareness that it's not really any difference between dogs and
Right.
pigs and cows.
Got it.
Are you French?
Yes.
Tu viens du Québec?
Yes.
Toi aussi?
Non, de France.
En France? Ah, ok, ok.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux du Québec aussi?
Oui, je viens du Québec, oui.
Cool.
Ça fait 7 ans que je suis à Whistler maintenant.
Ah ouais, puis ça, c'est une job ou...
C'est un hobby.
hobby?
J'ai un YouTube channel que je fais des outreach.
Ok.
Première fois que je fais celle-là.
Ok.
Mais, ouais.
C'est que ton channel?
Ah, donne une carte ici.
Ah ouais, donc. Et on va voir ça, cette vidéo-là.
Mon channel est en bas à droite, à gauche.
Ok.
Sur là. Puis plein d'informations sur cette carte-là aussi que tu vas avoir.
That's great, that's great. Cowspiracy,
Yeah.
Seaspiracy.
Voulez-vous essayer
Non, en vrai.
soy jerky?
Non, merci, c'est correct.
Pas de chien là-dedans, non?
Non, non, c'est correct.
Heureusement.
Avez-vous une opinion de ce que je fais aujourd'hui? Ou...
Ah, c'est une bonne affaire pour voir la réaction du monde. Je pense que personne réagit pareil.
Ouais.
Mais je pense que tu vas avoir de la difficulté à avoir du monde qui veut l'essayer.
Ouais, ben une fois que je leur dis que c'est du soya.
Ouais, c'est
Mais
ça.
à date, il y a une personne qui a essayé en pensant que c'est du chien, puis c'est celui qui a les lunettes juste là.
Puis, aimé ça.
Ouais, ben, il y avait un doute que c'était pas vraiment du chien, là, mais
Bonne chance, bonne continuité.
pas de problème, have une bonne journée. You guys like to try some free samples? Organic dog jerky?
Dog
We got hickory, sriracha, and sweet barbecue.
We just had it, maybe on the way out, we just had a massive brunch, so I'm stuffed right now, but
No worries.
if you're still here, yeah.
Alright, I'll be here.
Is it dog meat?
Yes. All
Made with
local.
dogs?
Yeah, it's all locally raised, organically, and humanely killed. Would you like to try a free sample? All right. Can I offer you guys some free samples? Organic dog jerky.
Dog jerky?
Yes, we got hickory, sriracha, and sweet barbecue. It's all locally raised, organically fed, and humanely killed.
Is it made out of dogs or made for dogs?
It's made out of dog. We get the meat from this company, Elwood's Organic Dog Farm,
Yeah.
and then we make the jerky out of it.
No way.
You'd like to try a sample?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, which flavor would you like to try?
Can I do the sriracha?
Yes, you have any food allergy or?
No.
All right. Here we go. Would you like to try a piece?
I'm good, thank you.
All right. Before you you judge, it's actually all vegan.
Okay.
This is made of soy. It's not actually dog. I'm surprised you tried it. You're thinking it's dog. You're the first person today.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think you should.
Did you know it was not dog before you tried?
I didn't think it was dog, but I.
I didn't think so
Believe
either.
Is it
Well-
vegan?
Yeah, it's all vegan. Would you like to try now?
Yeah, I am vegan.
Yes.
Is it gluten free as well?
Gluten. I'm not sure. There's the ingredients in the back. You can read that. Pretty sure it has contains wheat. Yeah, it's processed wheat. So if
Okay.
you're like allergic, it's probably not good for you.
That's okay. Thank you so much.
No worries. Thanks for stopping by.